Wondering how to remove the greasy buildup in your air fryer? Join me as I prepare some chicken and clean my air fryer. The first thing is to get the air fryer dirty so that we can clean. And how are we doing it? We are preparing chicken, as you can see, and this chicken was marinated 2 days before this cooking so that you can get the best outcome and the marinade gets into the meat. Let me tell you, if you have not tried air fried chicken, you're missing out. After 15 to 20 minutes, you can turn the other side. As you can see, they are turning brown and crispy. They are so delicious. After turning the other side, I set 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, and let me tell you, the outcome of this chicken was so delicious that you will want to try it. Allow me to talk about our giveaway. We have a complete Meko burner and cylinder that we are giving away to our subscribers and followers on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and IG. Once we hit 10,000 subscribers and 10,000 followers. So introduce as many people as possible. Maybe if we notice someone is so dedicated, we might give something before the 10,000. But for now, our ultimate prize is the Meko burner and cylinder that we're going to give away once we hit 10,000 subscribers. So keep subscribing, keep following us on our other social media pages, and we really appreciate the 1,440 of you. Thank you so much for considering us worthy of your subscription. Once the chicken was ready, time to make the homemade detergent. Very easy with just the ingredients you have in the house, and it's time to put it to work. First, you remove your tray and you turn the other side to just see how dirty it was. You can see how dirty my air fryer was, but I feel like since it has served me for a while before cleaning, it is reasonable. Yeah, as you can see, the detergent is working perfectly. It made my work really easy, and I must say I was impressed by the outcome of how the machine turned out, and number one, and number two, the way the machine is surviving, not getting too dirty. I must say, as much as I'm not paid to advertise for Kenwood air fryer has stood out for me. Time to add my ingredients. As you can see, this is bicarbonate of soda, and you put as much as you want. Then you put some salt. Nowadays I'm liking doing my detergents with salt, of course morning fresh, my favorite, and vinegar. And of course you will expect a reaction from between vinegar and bicarbonate, and I added some hot water and I put it back 200 degrees for 3 minutes. While it was cooking, I decided to clean the other parts. I'm using that piece of cloth to clean the enclosed places and spaces that I cannot reach with my bare hands, or using something else. As you can see, as I continue to cook it, for sure it is not usually hot at the top, that's why I could do that in the meantime. The stick was just a skewer, but if you don't have a skewer, you can always use a stick. After the 3 minutes, now it's ready for the other part of cleaning. I'm still using my skewer to just then remove those sticky things, the meat parts. The reason they are sticky on my tray especially is because I don't add oil at all when I'm using an air fryer. I try to ensure that I keep it healthy as possible. Basically, the essence of why I bought an air fryer, to avoid too much oil. So I find myself avoiding oil entirely. So I had some work scrubbing there, but at the end of the day, it was clean, and this was the best outcome. Leave a comment down below with how you clean your air fryer, or basically your gadget which looks like this and has this kind of material for its use. To be honest, at some point I was wondering what to use, because if you scrub it too much, you're going to spoil it. So you have to be very careful as you clean it. If you have watched the video this far, kindly consider subscribing. And if you're a subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. We really appreciate and value your continued support. To our new subscribers, if you've just come across this channel recently, feel most welcome. This is where we simplify your lifestyle.